Take every chance you get in life because something only happened once. Good morning to all of you. Machines need energy to work. For example, we had already learned in chapter 21 that cars get energy from burning fuels like petrol and diesel. Humans also need energy to work, study and play. We get this energy from the food we eat. So, today we will do the revision of lesson 22, food and digestion. Food performs many important functions. That is, gives us energy, helps us to grow, repair damaged body parts, makes our bones and muscles strong, and keeps us fit and healthy. So, it is very important to intake the proper components of food. And what are the components of food? Yes, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins and minerals. So, the food we eat daily is called a diet. And for good health and proper growth, it is important to have a balanced diet. So, what is the definition of balanced diet? Yes, the diet that contains the right amount of all the necessary nutrients, water and roughage is known as balanced diet. The food that we eat cannot be absorbed directly by the blood. It needs to be digested. Digestion is a process in which the breakdown of complex food we eat into simple soluble substances which our body is able to use takes place. These simple soluble substances can be absorbed by the blood. Now, what happens to the food? Inside the mouth, inside the stomach, inside the small intestine, inside the large intestine. This we will learn now. Inside the mouth, when we will eat solid food, our sharp biting teeth in the front cut it, while our flat grinding teeth at the back grind it. A digestive juice called saliva mixes with the food. It changes starch into sugar. Hence, the food tastes sweet. From the mouth, the food goes into the stomach through the food pipe. Now, inside the stomach, actually, our stomach is like a bag of muscles. Here, the food is churned and mixed with several digestive juices produced by the walls of the stomach. These juices for food. From the stomach, the food is forced into a long coiled tube called small intestine. More digestive juices from the liver and the pancreas are added here, and these juices mix with the food and convert it into simple soluble substances. The process of digestion is now complete. The blood vessels in the wall of the small intestine absorb the digestive food. The blood now takes the food to different parts of the body, and the undigested food that is not absorbed goes into the large intestine. Now in large intestine, what is happening? The large intestine is much wider and shorter than the small intestine. It absorbs water from the food waste. This water goes to the kidney, and from the kidney goes out of the body as urine. The remaining solid waste goes out of the body as a stool. Now our body needs glucose. Chew a piece of a bread for some time it tastes sweet. Why the taste is sweet? Yes, it tastes sweet because the digestive enzymes present in the saliva break down some of the carbohydrates in the bread into a simple substance called glucose. The glucose is sweet in taste and makes the food taste sweet. Our body converts glucose into energy that we use to perform various activities. So, glucose is a source of energy for our body. During sporting events, players are given a glass of glucose water. Means glucose dissolved in water to give them instant energy. When a person is suffering from dehydration or weakness due to illness, stress or surgery, a glucose solution is directly injected into the patient's blood through a drip. This is called glucose drip. It gives instant energy to the patient. So, let us discuss some healthy alternatives. Coca-Cola, canned juices, burger, French fries, noodles, pizza, ice creams. Wow, it is very good in taste, but they are unhealthy. On the other hand, coconut water, lassi, brown bread, sprouts, porridge, fruits, milkshakes, salads. The children do not like these food items, but they are healthy food. We have to eat healthy food items to get energy. So, don't eat junk food, eat healthy food and be strong, happy and energetic. Thank you. Have a nice day.